I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how to deep clean your wooden cutting boards to get rid of bacteria and odors. Let's get started. It's recommended that you deep clean your wooden cutting board at least once a month or more often if it's heavily used. First, we're going to start by making a concoction. In a small bowl, add 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and watch closely for the chemical reaction. It's completely normal. Now 1 tablespoon of Dawn dish soap. Give it a good mix, then we'll head to the sink for the next step. We'll begin by giving my dirty cutting board a quick wash with soap and water. Make sure to clean both sides thoroughly. Next, you can either dip your sponge in the solution and scrub. I like to lay mine down, then pour the cleaning solution all over it. Scrub and spread the solution evenly, then let it sit for 5 minutes before moving to the next step. For the next step, you'll need some coarse salt. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons to mine. For stubborn odors and stains, you can also add more baking soda. Now take half of a lemon and scrub your board with it thoroughly, squeezing and scrubbing simultaneously. Make sure you clean the back of the board and sides too. You can add another round of salt and lemon. This time, let it soak for 5 minutes to work its magic. After 5 minutes, rinse, then give it a quick wash with soap and water. You'll need to completely let it dry after upright to prevent warping before the next step. Once dry, it's important to maintain your wooden cutting board by oiling it periodically with food-safe mineral oil. Today I'm using this Howard brand. I'll post a link below, including the cutting board, in the description section below the video title. Oiling it will keep your board hydrated and protected. Drizzle the oil onto the cutting board and using a paper towel or cloth, spread the oil evenly over the entire surface. Make sure you get the back and sides too. Now don't be afraid to be generous with the oil. Also, make sure you use mineral oil and not vegetable or olive oil. If your board is new, loosely add a second coat. If your board is 1.5 inches thick or more, add 3 coats. I added a second coat to remove my streaks. Oiling your wooden board on a regular basis also helps prevent it from drying out and cracking over time. Next, you want to allow the cutting board to soak in the oil overnight. In the morning, come back and wipe off any excess oil with a clean paper towel or cloth. Your cutting board is now properly seasoned and ready to use. Remember, maintaining your wooden cutting board with oil is crucial for its longevity and performance. If you're interested in learning how to season a cast iron skillet, check out this link above. Thank you for watching. You can support me by sharing, liking, and commenting below. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.